Adopting a plant-based diet is one of the most broadly beneficial choices a person can make to reduce cancer risk and promote overall health. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are densely packed with protective nutrients that work in harmony to safeguard the body at the cellular level. These plant foods provide a rich spectrum of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which help neutralize free radicals that could otherwise damage DNA and initiate cancerous mutations. In addition, many plants contain phytochemicals, natural compounds like sulforaphane in broccoli, quercetin in onions, and resveratrol in grapes that directly influence detoxification pathways, suppress inflammation, and even trigger apoptosis, program cell death, in abnormal cells before they can develop into tumors. One of the most compelling advantages of a plant-based diet is its high fiber content, which not only supports digestive health, but also reduces cancer risk, particularly colon cancer. Dietary fiber accelerates the transit of food through the digestive tract, which minimizes the contact time between potential carcinogens and the intestinal lining. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These effects extend beyond the gut, as a healthy microbiome can influence immune regulation and systemic inflammation throughout the body. Plant-based eating also naturally lowers the intake of saturated fats, processed meats, and refined sugars, dietary elements that have been linked to increased cancer risk, particularly for colorectal and breast cancers. Unlike highly processed diets, a whole food plant-based approach supports a more stable hormonal environment, better insulin sensitivity, and improved weight management, all of which contribute to lowering cancer-promoting processes. Additionally, many plant foods are low in calories yet high in volume, allowing people to feel full and satisfied while reducing the likelihood of overeating, which in turn helps maintain a healthy weight, another key cancer prevention factor. What's especially encouraging is how enjoyable and sustainable a plant-forward diet can be. Rather than focusing on restriction, it celebrates abundance, an explosion of color, flavor, and variety on every plate. From lentil stews and quinoa bowls to fresh berries, leafy greens, and roasted vegetables, the culinary possibilities are endless and deeply nourishing. Many of the longest-lived populations in the world, from Okinawa to the Mediterranean, eat predominantly plant-based diets, and they not only experience lower cancer rates, but also enjoy more years of healthy, vibrant life. A plant-based diet doesn't mean one must become strictly vegetarian or vegan overnight. Even modest shifts, such as adding one more vegetable to each meal, choosing beans instead of red meat a few times per week, or snacking on fruit instead of chips, can produce measurable benefits over time. The body responds positively and quickly to these changes, often within weeks, as inflammation subsides, energy improves, and internal systems begin to function more efficiently. In the long run, choosing to eat more plants is one of the simplest, most effective, and most empowering acts of self-care. It's a daily affirmation of life and a powerful investment in long-term resilience against cancer.